Hello everyone. We have started with the fourth topic of OCM, that is business services. We have discussed in the first video, we have discussed the introductory part of what is warehousing. Then we have seen the functions of warehouse. Now in the third video, I'm going to start with the types of warehouses. But before the types of warehouses, let's see the two types of warehouses in detail, that is bonded warehouse and duty paid warehouse. They are the types of warehouse. In this video, I'm going to cover only these two types because many times there is a possibility of that they will ask it as a distinguish. Okay, now duty paid and bonded. Let's discuss duty paid. The first point is meaning. Duty paid. What is duty? Duty is nothing but tax. It is actually related with the import and export trade. Okay, so if an importer faces any problem in the transaction of goods after making payment of duty, then goods can be stored at a duty paid warehouse. These are the warehouses where uh, they have already paid the duty. Okay, they have already paid the duty, but still they have kept the goods in the warehouse. And in the bonded warehouse, uh, imported goods for storage until payment. In the bonded goods, they have not paid the duties, custom duties. Custom duty म्हणजे काय असतं, import केलं, export केलं, generally import केलंय तुम्ही goods, तर त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला custom duties, टॅक्स भरावा लागतो. आणि ड्युटी पेड मध्ये ऍज द नेम सजेस्ट इट हॅज ऑलरेडी पेड. अँड बॉन्डेड वेअरहाऊस मध्ये काय असणार आहे, वेअर यू नीड टू पे द ड्युटी, यू नीड टू पे दॅट टॅक्स. ओके, सो कंट्रोल. All duty paid warehouses are public warehouses that are available to all importer, and bonded warehouse are work under the control of custom authorities. Because remember one thing, in the bonded warehouse we have not paid the duties yet. Then classification. Duty paid warehouses help the importer as proper care of goods is taken. Processing of goods can be done like sorting, repacking, etc. And in bonded, these goods are held in bond and cannot be withdrawn without paying. One rule is compulsory over there in bonded warehouse, that you have to pay the duty, then and then only you will get the goods. Location. Duty paid, these are located near the port and dock area. And bonded, these are located near the dock area. And if an importer is unable or unwilling to pay custom duty immediately, then he can store. Suppose you don't have money, then you can store those goods in that bonded warehouse, but you have to pay the rent for it. They are not going to take care of at free of cost. You have to pay the duty as well as rent of it. In both the cases, you have to pay the rent. Duty paid warehouse, such warehouses are more useful for re-export. Now remember one thing, why they have paid the duty, why they have not collected the goods yet? Because the reason may be they want to re-export. They have imported the goods and now they want to export it into some other country. Till that point, they don't want to waste their transportation cost to bring those goods again, to arrange the transportation and send those goods to that country. So what they do, meanwhile they keep that goods in that warehouse, duty paid warehouse. They pay the duties also, everything is done. The warehouse keeper, owner of the warehouse, will take care of these goods. And whenever the call comes, or whenever the uh, other country demands, then they can put those goods, they can export those goods. Or many times what happens, as per the demand from the own country, they can uh, there is, it's a place, it's a warehouse is a place where they can put those goods till that time. They don't need to again transport and to again put somewhere in the warehouse, then again transport to that person. म्हणजे बऱ्याचदा काय होतं की गुड्स आलेत पण अजून मागितले गेले नाहीयेत, तर परत आपण घ्यायचं, दुसऱ्या वेअरहाऊस मध्ये टाकायचं, परत ऑर्डर आल्यावर मग ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करायचं, असंही होऊ नये. दॅट्स वाय दे कीप दोज थिंग्स इन दॅट ड्युटी पेड वेअरहाऊस. And in bonded warehouse, maybe some payment issue is there or some other issues, they keep it there. So these are the duty paid and bonded warehouse we are going to study in deep in my next video, where we are going to cover all the types of warehouse other than these two. I just made this video to understand more clearly what exactly duty paid. It's a comparative study. So just go through it. I hope you have understood. Thank you.